can leave whatever you want with her. Honey, just lock the doors, okay?
On August 28, 2024, Suwanee Police pulled over a woman for blocking traffic and interfering with the active lane closure. But when the officer checked her license and ran her info, let's just say what they found was way more shocking than a traffic violation. Let's take a closer look.
Hello. Hey, I'm Officer Carlos, Suwanee Police. Hey, so the reason I pulled you over today is because when you were pulling out of Kroger, okay, that parking lot, or maybe the bank, okay, you interfered with the lanes of traffic, okay?
I didn't know.
You gotta wait.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Okay.
No, I was
the Jeep
coming
had
out
to
of
come
the
up.
Kroger one.
Okay, yeah. But anyways, that Jeep had to come that Jeep had to brake, okay, in order for you to cross right in front, okay?
I'm sorry. I didn't know. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
I actually don't. So
Is that not it right there?
No, this I do.
Okay.
So basically, earlier this month,
Yes, ma'am.
first week of this month, I got thrown in jail because my license was suspended, driver's suspended license. But the thing is, me and my daughter, we just moved to Georgia this year. Just picked her from school, just got groceries.
Yes, ma'am.
And I already set the appointment with Lifesaver or whatever because
What is Lifesaver?
So it's the place that's supposed to put the interlock device in my car.
Yes, ma'am.
And it just got released over from Washington State for me to be able to do that. So they said once I go to my appointment and they install it or whatever, then I'll be free they'll release the hold so I can go to DMV and get my license. So I just went to jail earlier this month and I'm going to my
drive.
But I have the appointment on Monday, like I swear. I swear.
But you're driving without a license.
But I have no choice though. Like it's just me and my
I
daughter.
get it. How old is she?
She's 14. I just picked her from
14?
practice.
Okay. All right. Give me one moment, okay?
Okay.
Do you have anyone that lives around here that can come and pick y'all up? Because you can't be driving, right? Ultimately, you can't be driving. Okay, so you got to have someone to come and drive her if you can't be driving.
Okay.
Okay. So give me one moment, okay? She handed me just her identification card. She has her driver's license is suspended for a failure to appear for a DUI that she got a while ago. She knows all of this. The reason she doesn't have anyone to come pick up the car, nor does she have anyone to come pick up her 14-year-old daughter in the car with her. She said she has an appointment on Monday with a company called Lifesaver, which will install like a breathalyzer for her to operate the car, and then they'll give her driver's license back. I just don't know how to go about it, given that she has her daughter in here. I told her if she has anyone to come and get it, and she said no. I told her to start working on it. All right, ma'am. So, because you still are driving on a suspended registration, I will be placing you under arrest. But hear me out, okay? I'm going to take you to the city courthouse. It's right here, okay? Right here. I mean, you still are driving with no license, okay? So I'm going to place you under arrest. I'm going to take you over here. I'm going to fingerprint you. I'll look at it. So your license is suspended due to a failure to appear. That's why I was kind of confused. That, from what I'm seeing, yeah, I'll have to look at it in just a minute. But it's a failure to appear, and I think the year is 2020. I'll look at it when we're in the car, and I'll tell you, okay? But that's why
I didn't even live here.
we'll see. If you had a traffic violation, and sometimes they make it a mandatory court date if you don't go on that court date, and even if you paid online, because sometimes they'll make it a must appear. If you show up in court, even then, if you paid online and you don't go to court, then it's a failure to appear. That's okay.
Yeah, I gotta see about this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, but leave the keys with her. You can bring your phone. You can text her while we're there. You can leave whatever you want with her. Honey, just lock the doors, okay? She'll be okay. She'll be back in 20, 30 minutes, okay? I promise, all right? Okay? It'll be okay, baby. All right? Just stay here. She'll be right back, okay?
Lock the door.
Okay, just stand right here for me. Hands behind your back. Anything on you? No. Okay. Alright. You want to go over here? Go back there. Over here on the side. Yeah, 295, one female. 682, City Courthouse. So you can step in there.
Yep. But the thing is right here.
Yeah. So you'll slide in with it.
Oh.
Yep. Careful with your head. Yeah, and that's the unfortunate thing. Sometimes if you move or anything of that sort, you're unaware that you do have a failure to appear and that your driver's license is suspended. So, and it's not that you weren't paying attention or anything of that sort. It's just an unfortunate thing. I mean, we can take out warrants sometimes, and if you don't answer, if I've got enough probable cause to pull out a warrant for your arrest, we can pull those warrants. And if you don't answer my phone calls or anything of that sort, or if I have enough description, if I'm able to identify you and I can't get in contact with you, I'm able to pull out a warrant, and you won't even know you have a warrant until you get pulled over or an officer comes in contact with you and tells you that you've got a warrant out for your arrest. All right. We're going to go right over here. I'll give you your phone right when we come back, okay? Sorry, you're in heels. All right, but yeah, so you have a court date. It's written for 10/24 at 9 a.m. It's at this exact same place. You'll park back here, come in, you'll walk around to the front, okay? And then you'll just, they'll give you a number. You'll speak to the judge. You can turn around. Yeah, you're welcome. So yeah, I mean, you're under arrest for the suspension, okay? I don't know why. Where did you get your DUI?
In Washington State. At Seattle.
When did you, where were you in 2020?
In Michigan.
In Michigan?
Yeah, I wasn't here.
Did you ever receive a ticket or anything of that sort that you remember?
In Michigan, no. In Washington, possibly, but I don't know.
Okay. You can sit over here. So right here, it's going to tell you what fingers need to be done. Okay, so right here, it needs your left four fingers. Once it turns green, lift it. Now your thumb. Lift it. Go again. Lift it. Now your other thumb. Lift. Okay, so now for these, with your nails it might be a little hard, but we're going to try and work through it. So you'll start at one end of this white line, and then you'll roll it, okay? Roll it, putting pressure at the tip of your finger. Once it's green, lift it. Now go again, now your index finger, yep. More to the side. Yeah, there you go. Lift it once it's green. Mm-hmm. You don't have to go super slow either.
Oh.
Yeah, you're good. If it picks it up, just make sure it reads. Go again. That pinky. Mm-hmm. Move up a little bit. Yeah. One more time. Lift it. You're good. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And if it's easier to roll on the other side or come from the other side to the other side, you're good. Go again. Mm-hmm. Again. No, your thumb. Yeah. Go again. Yeah. again.
I did it right.
Yeah, it's just the system. Yeah. You can lift it. Go again. Yeah, I know. You're good. Pick it up. You're good. Next finger. Go again. Go again. One more time. Okay, you're good. So if you'll come over here for me. So I'll give you that back because it is not a driver's license, but that does not mean that you can still drive, okay? All right, so right here, this is basically saying that this is your notice for suspension, okay? So I accidentally checked yes because I thought that was your driver's license. It is not, so I'm going to check this one. I'll mark that one out later with white out. And this right here, I'll give to you, okay? So it has more instructions on your suspension, so that you'll keep, and I just need you to sign my copy, simply stating that you're aware that your suspension, or of your suspension, so that you'll sign right here. And then today, you're receiving a citation for driving while your license is suspended. So you'll sign right here for me, and this is the must appear, okay? This is the court date, and the address is written on the back of your copy, okay? And then same thing with this one. This, you are being cited. The reason for the traffic stop is because you failed to yield, okay, to that stop, or to the yield sign, okay?
What yield sign?
The one, when you're exiting, you always have to yield to oncoming traffic. So the citation for it is failure to avoid, like, not pay attention to stop sign or yield sign.
But I did stop, and then the car was going, and then I went out.
Yeah, but you have to remain stopped and continue to yield until the roadway is closed.
In the end, officers took her to the station, ran her fingerprints, and handed her a stack of tickets. She's now facing multiple court dates, all because she couldn't stay out of the cones and not get caught. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe before I pull you over next. And remember, all individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. While you're here, YouTube says you'll love these wild body cam videos,